Hello. I am here to do a review. You knew that. Anyway, for the Homga 2-pack cable organizer sleeve, cord organizer, adjustable cable sleeve, cable management sleeve, black and white flexible neoprene cable organizer, 60 inches. Why on Amazon does it have such a long title? It's okay. I love you, Amazon. Props. Props. Props for the 2-day shipping. Props. Okay, anywho. So you get two. This is a 6-inch width. It is 60 inches long. It is not 60 inches because I cut a piece for demonstration. And you also get a 4-inch width piece. It's 60 inches, just believe me. It is really great quality. The Velcro is very good. It works perfectly. It is made of, they said neoprene. I don't really know what that is, but I'm thinking it's a squishy material because it's pretty squishy. And it's soft, so if little ones were to grab a hold of it, which this would be a good thing for them to hide cords, you're going to get to them before they get to this. Going to demonstrate it. For my sanity, I'm just going to do 2 cords. What you do is you put the cords in here, and you would wrap it. This is really hard to do. I'm gonna have to do it like this. My Lord. Yeah, for my sanity. Just like that. And it keeps your cables, cords, electrical cords together. It's kind of like a, when I looked at it, it looked like a plastic tube, but this is better because it's versatile. It can be bent. If it gets bent, it's not gonna bend it forever. What I'm trying to say is, if you bend, I don't really have anything. If you bend, say this is plastic, okay, if you bend it and it gets bent, whatever. Clearly if you bend it, it's going to get bent. Anyway, it's going to stay like that with this, with this, you know, you bend it, it's going to go back to its original shape. That's all I've got. It is called Homga, H-O-M-G-A, 2-pack cable sleeve. No, I keep reading it wrong. Homga 2-pack cable organizer sleeve. It is by, what is with these names? It is by Gikbay, G-I-K-B-A-Y. I guess people, you do run out of names. I can't believe this video is 4 minutes long. But I guess you do run out of names, and you've got to come up with some catchy names. So props for the good names, but I just feel weird saying them because I've never heard of them. Again, you get 2 of them. 14 bucks for 2. Pretty good price. That's all I've got. You know the deal. Thanks for watching. The deal. Feel free to like and subscribe. Bye.